How to use front surround mode on your VIZIO soundbar. For ideal 5.1 surround sound, the speakers are typically placed behind the listener. But some rooms don't have the space for that setup, which is why VIZIO developed front surround mode. This mode lets you place the surround speakers in front and still fill the room with an incredibly powerful 5.1 virtual surround sound experience. Here's how to set up front surround mode. First, place your soundbar under the TV and connect it to a power outlet. Next, place the surround speaker with the blue input on the left side of the soundbar. Then place the speaker with the gray input on the right. Place the subwoofer nearby the soundbar and speakers and connect it to power. Next, use the included color-coded cables to connect each speaker to the subwoofer. Press the Effect button on the remote. Scroll down using the D-pad to the Surround option. Using the left or right D-pad, select the option Front. Then press the OK button to turn on front surround mode. The soundbar LED light on the left side will let you know you're in front surround mode. Now you can enjoy immersive VIZIO surround sound in any space.